The 5 best rooftop restaurants in Orange County right now. Number 1, the Rooftop Lounge, Laguna Beach. La Casa del Camino is home to Laguna's only rooftop lounge, a perfect setting for a sun-kissed wedding and candlelit reception under a blanket of stars. Their menu includes an array of delectable dishes, including hand-mixed fresh fruit mojitos and California fare. Number 2, Orange Hill Restaurant, Orange, California. Orange Hill is your destination for dining, drinking, relaxing, and enjoying endless views of Orange County. Situated on top of a hill, this restaurant provides breathtaking views of Orange County's skyline and surrounding landscape. Number 3, Tanner's Restaurant, Huntington Beach. Found on the 5th floor of the Paseo Hotel and Spa, Tanner's offers surf-inspired cuisine with oceanfront dining with views of the Huntington Beach coastline. They serve a mix of coastal-inspired dishes and craft cocktails. Number 4, Hendrick's Restaurant and Bar, Laguna Niguel. While not exclusive a rooftop restaurant, Hendrick's features a beautiful rooftop deck that provides a relaxed and chic atmosphere. They offer a diverse menu of modern American cuisine and craft cocktails. Number 5, The Fifth, Rooftop Restaurant and Bar, Anaheim, California. The Fifth is located directly across the street from the Disneyland Resort. This lively rooftop bar is open till midnight during the week and 1 a.m. on the weekends. The Fifth offers great views of both Disney parks, as well as a great vantage point for the nightly fireworks show. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one.